Mountain-sized planet-killer asteroid will make a close approach to our Earth this week, and we can watch it live. On June 27, the mountain-sized asteroid 2011 UL-21 will come within 5 million miles of Earth, making it one of the largest space rocks to come that close to our planet for 125 years. Here's how to watch the close encounter live or see it with a telescope. The massive planet-killer asteroid will make a very close approach to Earth later this week, safely zipping past our planet at around 58,000 miles an hour, that's 93,000 kilometers an hour. The potentially hazardous mountain-sized object is one of the largest space rocks to pass close to our Earth in more than a century, and you can watch the close encounter live. The asteroid 2011 UL-21 is a near-Earth asteroid, meaning its orbit occasionally puts it within 1.3 astronomical units. 1 AU is the distance between the Earth and our Sun, about 93 million miles. It will be 1.3 astronomical units of the Sun, or roughly 1.3 times the average distance between our Earth and the Sun. It orbits our home star once every 3 years, based on past observations. The space rock is somewhere between 1.1 and 2.4 miles wide, according to spacereference.org, meaning it's larger than 99% of known near-Earth asteroids, according to the European Space Agency ESA. 2011 UL-21 is likely at least 10 times smaller than the largest space rock to ever hit Earth, the Verdefort asteroid, and around 5 times smaller than the rock that wiped out the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago. However, while any potential impact from 2011 UL-21 would be less extreme than these historical collisions, the asteroid still has the potential to cause damage on a continental scale and eject enough debris into the atmosphere to trigger significant climate changes, which is why it is considered a planet killer. On June 27, 2011, UL-21 will zoom past at around 4.1 million miles from Earth, which is closer than it's been to our planet for at least 110 years, according to simulations by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL. And at this distance is considered a potentially hazardous object by NASA. However, this is still around 17 times farther away from our planet than our moon. Although the space rock poses no threat to Earth, either now or in the future, it is interesting because it's probably one of the 10 biggest asteroids to pass within 4.7 million miles of our planet since 1900. Gianluca Massi, an astrophysicist and director of the Virtual Telescope Project, VTP, wrote in a recent statement. And you can watch this asteroid, 211 UL-21's close approach, thanks to the free live stream from VTP, which will share the view of the asteroid from the Bellatrix Astronomic Observatory in Ceccano, Italy. The stream begins at 4 p.m. on ET on June 27, with a close approach predicted to occur 15 minutes later. And you may also be able to spot the asteroid in the night sky with a decent telescope. It will be at its brightest on June 28 and 29, and should be visible from the northern hemisphere if you know where to look. At its brightest, it will have a similar brightness to Proxima Centauri, the nearest known star to the Sun, according to VTP. 2011 UL-21 asteroid will not get this close to Earth again until the year 2089, when the space rock will get to within 1.7 million miles of our planet, more than 2.5 times closer to us than its current approach now, according to JPL simulations. There's a zero chance that any known planet-killer asteroid will slam into Earth for at least the next 1,000 years. However, there will be some close calls with smaller asteroids in the next few years. For example, the asteroid Apophis, which is big enough to wipe out an entire city, will zip past Earth closer than some satellites in the year 2029. This is by Harry Baker on Live Science. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.